Ensamno eso ye ko eye Aflao ehye no eso ho na ababeto dwa ese ahyen akese ebeye aha mienu de ye kan wo mo apo asesa ho no pa ne ba ne sen na ekoba ne sa ye nhye akodo bi akoso ho ma penifo echem se de nam so ma akoba ne sen nyina no wotu ho anamo
November ne da na to so 9 na eyefiada ewa afimu enipa beye apem ne yakire de omo kobo pe so ewo bia ese omo ebeyi omo neema ewo saa ahye no so ho na ekoba saa no na akwakoye arehos ni na esusu Ghana Highway Authority na omo akofa saa ohaw ni nyina ede aba na ukoba bi te se Ghana ne Togo ahye so wa de ekọ Aflao na wona omo edidwa anaso omo yi omo neema ewo ababeto won so say amanfo bi free Togo Benin ene Nigeria omo nyina eba ho ana abe yi ni nyina no na akwakoye wo ha kese pa say baby te say Aflao so fa kwan no so asene na amanfo ede oma ahyen agiregyina ekwan no so na ni nyina no ha adwen akire say adwuma no mo eye ewo ho no na enkoye TV African Centronia wo from Antemu Makafuyim ene won na oni ahyenkafo omo ahyen akoka ho ni bie no. We
met our agent on Monday. We say we had a problem with customs. So until they solve the problem, finish before they will know what to do.
So is this the first time you have been caught up in such a situation?
Yeah, this is the first time I met something like that. Some years ago they we met, but that one is a long story. But this is the first time we meet something like this.
Now, how do you feel stranded here at the Aflao border?
But this one here, we don't stay keep on here like this before. So by all means, we will face that and our money will be going because everything here is different. The price of the food with our there is not the same. So everything at almost times two. So that is what we are facing.
Where do you sleep? Where do you wash down and all that?
I sleep in my truck. And my boys too sleep here, and the rest of the drivers. But always we used to eat at the custom canteen or this place. That is where we used to eat.
Now, if they don't find a solution to the problem, will you want to go back, or so long as you are already here, you want to stay?
I will go home.
Commissioner Edema Custom Division or Ghana Revenue Authority (GRA) any empanifo etu agina omo nyina ekohia ye na omo hwe kwan ometimi esia no owura seedu idrusu ono ne empanifo omo eyi niama ewo mpatamu wo ekohia ye na ne nyina no ade adesere edetu omo anim se ehyiamudie no ebetimi akoyie ede amom saa so na opani mensa damiatia ono na oye Ghana ni osi Ghana nemu ewo oman Togo mu ono ne empanifo ekohia ye na omo ehia ye no na ne nyina omo hwe se saa enhyehyɛ no ebetimi akɔ anim eye abeja sabote one owura abetmensa ene ye TV Africa yen centro ni Makafui edwetwe nkomo a omo kire omo adwen efa enhyiamudi omo ehyiae no sei na no nso omo kire mu.
He is pleading with us to resume work whilst they go behind the scene and resolve the issue. But the agitation of the members is that they will not agree to resume work whilst the activities of the Ghana Highway authorities is still ongoing, because our issue is just one. We want the operation of the Ghana Highway Authority at the custom control area out of the place. There's a weighing bridge at Akachi which take care of all the borders within Aflao, Boglo and Akano. They all pass through Akachi before going to Accra. So the distance between Aflao and Akachi is to operate a weighing bridge at the border. You can see how congested the whole border is when you came around.
When the cars are coming from Togo, they need to exit. And when they're coming from Elubo, they have a time that they have to exit the country. And those are the laws of customs. And they are infringing on those laws because two laws are now working at the same place, which cannot be possible. The scale is not meant for highway authorities to come and mount. The scale is for customs for duty purposes. Their goods are supposed to be weighed and valued in weight, not for highway to come and mount. So what we are saying is that what they are doing is disturbing our work. It's not making the work to flow as we expected or as the nation has expected. So that is why we are saying they should give us a chance on the yard They should mount at where they are, which is Akachi. When the trucks exit this place, get to their point, they have every right to do whatever they want to do.